getting ready right now because I'm going to go eat dim sum for breakfast. I think it's like 11:30 a.m. right now.
I don't usually eat it.
It's now the next day and I just got ready because I'm going to the Orange County Museum of Art today with my friend Eric, and then I think we're also going to the beach after. This is my outfit. I feel like I haven't gone out, like actually hung out in a while. I've kind of been a homebody for like the past month. I'm gonna bring my Uniqlo bag and then I'm just packing my makeup bag right now. I just did my hair with my new like hairbrush dryer thingy because I recently got a new haircut and they're like face framing layers, so okay, I packed my bag. Can I show you your shirt?
Which one do you think you could do? I go.
I just got back home from school and I got a package from the skincare brand Torridon. They sent me a few skincare items, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. There's so much. Whoa! They sent me all this. I've been wanting to try Torridon's products for so long. I'm going to poop my pants, guys. They sent me 8 things. Thank you so much, Torridon. Oh my gosh. First, I got the Torridon Diamond Cleansing Foam. It looks like this. And then I got the Torrid Dive-In Multi-Pad. I've been wanting to try this toner pad for so long. I see it in stores, but I've never gotten it. It looks like this. And then it comes with this little tong to pick it up. Then I got the Torrid Dive-In Serum. I've seen this everywhere on TikTok, and I've heard it's really good, so I'm super excited. Then I got the Torrid Cell Amazing Brightening Ampule. This is what it looks like. Next, I got the Torrid Firming Eye Cream. Personally, I don't use eye cream because I don't really have any eye bags. Whoa, their packaging is so nice. Next, I got the Torrid Lip Essence. Ooh, it looks like that. I'm gonna try on everything after I show you guys what I got. Next, I got the Torrid Soothing Cream. And then it comes with a little spatula. That looks so smooth. Their slogan is "Your skin is our planet." All of their products are also vegan, which is great. Last thing I got is the Torrid Firming Cream. It says that this improves skin firmness and elasticity. Their packaging is so nice. Time to try on everything now. I'm gonna use their cleansing foam first. I just finished using the cleanser and I'm gonna try these toner pads. It feels so cooling on my skin. I look so funny right now. While I'm waiting for this to soak in, I'm gonna use the lip essence. I feel like I'm doing ASMR. It's been a few minutes, so I'm gonna take these off. Lately, I've been breaking out so much. Hopefully, it all goes away before my prom, which is in like 2 weeks. Now I'm gonna use the Dive-In Serum. Whoa. My friends have told me that this serum is really good because they also use it. There's hyaluronic acid in here and my skin feels so hydrated. Now I'm going to use the brightening ampule. This has vitamin C in it and it's supposed to brighten and even out your skin. I look brighter already. Next, you would normally use a firming cream, I'm pretty sure, but I don't need this for my skin, so I'm just going to try it on my hand. Whoa. Ooh, it feels so nice and lightweight. I like that their products don't have any fragrance in it because that usually breaks me out. And then normally after you would use an eye cream, but I don't need that, so I'm just gonna try it on my hand too. Pretty sure you only need like super little. Ooh, this also feels really nice. Last thing is to use the soothing cream. It comes with this little spatula, so I'm gonna use it. Oh, that feels so nice. Well, I definitely put too much. This moisturizer feels really lightweight. Wow, my skin feels so nice now. It's the next day and I just got back home from school. I already said this before in like my other video many times, but it has been so hard to not skip school. If you didn't know, I'm a senior in high school and senioritis is serious, guys. I just want to skip like every single day. This week and next week is AP testing and then we have finals and then school is done, which is so crazy to think about because I graduate in less than a month and then my prom is literally next Saturday, which is even crazier to think about. I'm also gonna vlog that, but guys, don't be like me. Do not skip your classes. I'm so excited for summer because I'm traveling in the month of August. I'm going to England for like 2 weeks. Anyways, when I got home, I saw that I got a package from Lewkin. I ordered a cardigan and a bag. It comes with these cute stickers. I actually already have these stickers because I got another Lewkin package last week. I was like going on a shopping spree last week. This is what it looks like. I'll probably style this over a top. Oh, look how cute. I've been needing a bag like this size for a while now. Just put it on like that. Hello, this is so cute. This is how the bag looks on. I'm gonna end today's video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and are having a good week. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.